Welcome to course number 3 under competency, the profession of the teacher. Here we're going to look at managing personal energy for professional excellence. Have you ever started your day with great anticipation, great intentions, lesson plans ready, a smile on your face, only to feel depleted before lunch? It's not time you're running out of energy. The best teachers aren't those who work the longest hours. They are those who manage their energy with wisdom. Welcome to Managing Personal Energy for Professional Excellence, where we'll discover how to refuel your mind, body, spirit, and soul so you can teach with joy, balance, and impact. Tony Schwartz, an author of The Power of Full Engagement, writes that time is limited, but energy is renewable. Let's bust the biggest myth in education ever. I don't have enough time. Every teacher from Accra to Tamale has the same 24 hours, but not everyone has the same energy. Think about your day as like a mobile phone battery, right? No matter how good the phone is, when the battery is draining, performance drops. A study by Harvard Business Review revealed that productivity declines by 45% after 90 minutes of continuous work without breaks. At what time of the day are you most energized? Is it in the mornings, in the afternoons, or in the evenings? Knowing this helps you to schedule your most important work when your energy is at its highest. At this time, we will introduce you to 4 energy batteries. We've done this before, but we want to do it again for emphasis in this particular course. Energy doesn't come from coffee. For those of us coffee drinkers, it comes from your care of self. There are 4 key batteries you must recharge daily: the physical, the emotional, the mental, and the spiritual, just like your phone. The physical energy is your foundation. Fuel your body well. Sleep 7 to 8 hours a day. Move for at least 20 minutes daily. In Japan, for example, teachers take micro stretches every 45 minutes to reset their energy. Find a way to dance, walk, move your body during your breaks. For those of you who drive, you'll have to make a conscious effort to walk instead of drive whenever you can. As a challenge, replace 1 sugary snack this week with water or fruit only. Your brain will thank you later for it. Your emotional energy, the heart. This is your capacity to handle stress and stay positive. Remember the course on emotional intelligence? You may want to give it another chance. Start your day with gratitude. Write down 1 thing you're thankful for before stepping into class. Research shows that gratitude can boost happiness by 25%. Let's look at your mental energy, which is your focus zone. Your focus is your superpower. Multitasking, though tempting, can drop productivity by 40%, according to American Psychological Association. This week, work with the Pomodoro cycles. 25 minutes or 45 minutes of focused teaching prep, and then 5 minutes break. Do something to support your energy, your mental energy much better. Then we turn our attention to the 4th block, which is the spiritual energy, the why. This is the most powerful source. It's about meaning, why you teach, what legacy you want to leave. When purpose is clear, energy is automatic. Friedrich Nietzsche, a German philosopher, is quoted to say, "He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow." Ponder over which